recording this cause why not. So today is the day second of me completing my whole syllabus in 5 minutes. So the time is, wait a second, let me see the time. So right now it is 11:30 of 6th of August, and what I am going to do is I am going to study this whole night plus the day of 7th too, and let's see how many hours we will study, because I was literally not consistent for today because I was literally very ill. So let's see. And मैं भी इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे रूममेट्स पूछ सकते हैं. So we'll study the whole night and let's see what is going to happen next. The thing is, it's literally midnight and you can just see how the crickets are whistling right now and the frogs are like making weird sounds. It's not scary for me because I'm a very brave kind of boy. Anyway, so this is the sound. Today is a very romantic day for studying, so let's see what is going to happen next. But first of all, we have to say good night to Ma. Good night, Ma. Now we are ready to complete our topic of the day. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we started completing our day 2 on the 6th of August 2024 at 11:30 p.m. As I told you guys that yeah, I was not that consistent for last few days because I was ill. And see, the problem is there is literal uncertainty on my routine because I have to cook, I have to wash my clothes, I have to wash my dishes, and yeah, I'm missing my mom. Like, it's literally hard to stay alone and do your course by your own, but it's giving me new experiences. So okay, anyway, so the thing is I am feeling really sleepy right now and I have to do कल classes भी. So अभी मैंने वेक्टर कंप्लीट कर लिया जो कि मेरा डे 2 का टॉपिक था. It took me 2 days technically, like half of 6th and half of 7th, but okay, I completed the chapter in 4 hours. It took me 4 hours and it's literally 2:25 right now. Hi Taylor. So yeah, we are done with the chapter vector and now it's 7 and it's day 3. So I guess it's the end of the day 2 documentation. So yeah, baki like I will try. See, I can't commit that yeah, I'm going to be consistent and I will upload or document things daily because as you guys know, I'm not that healthy. Like there is only one thing there is consistent, that my health. Like मैं consistently बीमार पड़ जाता हूँ week में. So I will try to be healthy and I will try to be consistent in my studies and in my documenting my whole Neet journey. Anyway, so this was the end of day 2 and we completed the chapter vector and I'm done with this chapter. मुझे पता है कि मैं बहुत स्लो हूँ बट आई विल ट्राई कि मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. मैं ट्राई करूँगा कि मैं भी पेस पकड़ लूँ. एनीवे, अब कल मिलते हैं एक नए दिन के साथ. तब तक के लिए स्टे ट्यून्ड. ऑल्सो लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, कल से शायद मैं स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग भी शेयर करूँ ताकि ट्रांसपेरेंसी बरकरार रहे बिकॉज वी हैव टू क्रैक इट विथ ऑनेस्टी. बाय.